When it's a rainy day outside, what do you do?
Play dress up, I suppose. I would play Fortnite.
Got a cowboy here. Lyndon.
And whatever that is there.
What have you got going on here?
I'm a cowboy.
You're a cowboy?
And I have this and this and this and...
Can you step back so I can see you just a little bit better? Step a little bit back. I can't see you. There you go. There you go. Okay, turn around. Do a spin. Let me see. Whoa! Whoa! You got your... Whoa! Shooting the arrow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Can you do any more?
No.
9
10.
and 11.
I'm gonna have this.
Oh, you have a bow. Yes.
Ha.
Can you do a spin for me?
Whee.
Yeah. That's awesome. You look good.
Ha. Oh. Oh.
Let me introduce you to Robin Hood.
Uh-huh.
Robin Hood brought me an outfit. Isn't that so nice? Robin Hood, thank you so much. I am so lucky that you brought me this so lovely outfit. What are we going to do today in our wonderful outfits? Are we going to go explore?
Uh-huh.
Since it's raining.
The Robin say.
Okay, you lead the way. Sound good?
We can, you're gonna go to an outfit shop.
Oh, I'm gonna go to an outfit shop? That'll be exciting.
And you're gonna go to an outfit shop.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Are you going to protect us from any bad guys that come with your bow? Where's your arrow? Your stick and your arrow?
Any bad guys can get my stick and my arrow?
Maybe.
I'm a bad guy. Can you come hit me with your stick and arrow?
You may need to defend us on our journey to the costume store. Shall we go?
There's a bad guy in the house.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, that's me.
Oh.
Bad guy.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Clayton has the scissors. I better go check out what's going on over there. Look at how scary this is. Clayton is terrifying. Whoa, it's a standoff.
No. Mom, it's mine. It's mine. It's mine.
Say it's mine, brother, mine.
Mine.
Robin, are you saving me?
It's saving
Actually, I think he's running away from me.
You're saving me, you're saving me. Robin, you're so brave. Here comes the bad guy.
No, I'm trying to get that big bad guy.
Yeah, go get that big bad guy.
I'm trying.
Ow! I don't have peripheral vision in this.
Mommy,
Yes.
get your towel and hit him.
Oh, okay. Hey, I have a thief! A thief! There's a thief in this house! Where's this little thief? What did you steal, little thief?
Stand down.
Uh-oh, he's nerd.
Stand down, thief.
Hey, just show me real quick what you got. What'd you take?
Oof.
What'd you take? A piece of untoasted bread. Oh my. Good morning, it's Mama Lindsay from the Squirrel House, and it is a rainy day. But we did get outside, we are outside, and just because we were all feeling a little trapped inside. So we're outside between raindrops and getting muddy and wet, and I'm gonna work on the vegetable garden. So we need to get that out. He's off on his bike.
Yeah.
That's what he wants.
Such a big boy. Oh,
We realize that we are all wearing red today.
Especially Lyndon.
Look at that. Coordinated, not even meaning to be.
Oh.
It's just a red sort of a day. You're going so far.
It's a red letter day.
Well, fun time abruptly ended when Lyndon took his shoes off and it's soaking wet outside and his socks got all wet. He was not so happy with that. But I did get the garden cleared out, so hopefully this week, you can see we have strawberries growing in that bed, but hopefully we can get the tomatoes and the cucumbers out, because I don't think it's gonna get freezing again. At least I hope it's not gonna get freezing again. It's late April. Hopefully it's not gonna get freezing again. Let me tell you that today I am winning the award for Mom of the Year. Clayton is eating leftover cold chicken and cold vegetables from a couple days ago.
That was from yesterday.
Okay. So everything he's eating is just cold. I just let him fend for himself. And let me show you this. Lyndon is eating, this was his peanut butter toast and jelly toast from breakfast. And they were separate. And I just put them together. Voila! A peanut butter and jelly sandwich for lunch. It's been sitting on the table since breakfast. And just to be like super efficient, just slap those two suckers together, serve it to him for lunch for peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So we got 2 meals out of that one. Mom of the year. Mom of the century right now. That's the way it's going today. I hope your day's going better than that. But you know, hey, everybody's getting fed. Everybody's getting fed. He's having milk. Look, there's even a half-eaten carrot on his plate, so that means he must have eaten at least half of a carrot. Winning. Winning today. Winning. Lyndon shared this wonderful peanut butter and jelly sandwich with me. That is now my lunch. Delicious. Yeah. Hi. That's good to see stuff. Can I have a ride? No, you're too big. I would not be able to handle that. Whoa, that's a big mountain hill. Yeah, there you go. Climb that mountain.
This mountain?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look, you did it. You got to the top. Now I don't know if it's safe to go down. It looks a little steep off the edge. I think that looks a little steep. If you turned around, you could ride back down. Yeah, no, keep turning. Go back down the way you came. Whoa! Good job, good job. You did it. Woo! Clayton's on a rescue mission. I totally buried a plant with the mulch.
You should be the one rescuing it.
I think it's a little bit further back.
Great.
Oh no, you're getting it, you're getting it.
There.
See it?
Okay, that's it.
See it? It's starting to come out.
Come on.
I see. I just like got inundated. Poor little thing. Thank you. Okay. Nice. 2.
Please do this. I'm doing. Mommy, please do this.
Nice. 3. Let's go.
What are you doing?
You're doing good. You're walking ace. Come on, dogs. Let's go. Say ace. Let's go.
Let's go. I thought that was a good
Times.
Okay, get him, Lyndon. Good job, bud. Good job.